Alright, dear viewers, you're most welcome. Call me Monisha Maths Tutor. I'll be taking you through the past papers for Maths South Sudan Certificate of Secondary Education. So I'm going to begin with that of 2024. So we are going to start from number 1 up to the last one. It has two sections, section A and B. So I'm starting with the section A. So this is number 1. It has part A and B. So let's begin with the A part. The question says, find the highest common factor of 25, 50, and 100. Then the B part says, round of 462 3.405 to the nearest all numbers. So let's start with the number 1. A. So how do we find the highest common factor of 25, 50, and 100? So 25, 50, and 100. So to find the highest common factor of 25, 50, and 100, what do we do? For this case, we need to first get factors of 25, 50, and 100. Then we also need to identify the common factors. After identifying the common factors, now from there we can see which one is the highest. So let's proceed. So let's start with the factors of 25. These are the numbers divisible by 25. So the first one is 1. 2 cannot be divided by 25, even 3. So the next one will be 5 and 25. These are the factors of 25. So let's come to factors of 50. The first one is always 1, because 50 by 1 is 50. The next one will be 2, of course. 50 by 2, that is 25. The next one, 3 cannot be divided. 4 cannot. 5, yeah. 5, we have 10, 25, and 50. So these are the factors of 25. Let's look at the factors of 100. So this will give us, the first one is 1. 2 can also be divided by 100. 3 cannot. 4 can be divided by 100. 5 can be divided. 10, we have 20, we have 25, and 100. So we also have 50, then 100. So from here we can identify the common factors. When we say common factors, we mean the one that is appearing to all these. From factors of 25, 50, and 100, the one that is common to all. We can see that 1 is appearing in all these factors. So the first one is 1. 2 is not appearing up here, so 2 is not inclusive. So let's look at 5. 5 is appearing to all. When you come to 25, 25 is also appearing to all. So the next one is 25. So these are the common factors we have. So from here we can identify the one that is highest. So we have 1, 5, and 25. Of course, 25 is the highest factor, common factor here. So here we conclude by saying, therefore, highest common factor of 25, 50, and 100 is 25. Then you need to be very smart when you are working out any number pertaining maths. So let's come to the B part. The question is saying round of 4,623.405 to the nearest whole number. So let's write it. We have 4,623.405. We should round it off to the nearest whole number. So from here we have the first step is identifying the number, of which we have done it already. So the next one, we look at the digit in the 10th place, or we look at the first digit after the decimal point. So after the decimal point here, the first digit is a 4. And in order for you to round it off, it has to be greater than 5. When it's less than 5, you don't round it off. So from here, the first digit after the decimal point is a 4. Then 4 is less than 5. So we just take this. We don't round it off. We take that. So this will give us 4, 6, 2, 3. This is the whole number. So as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.